Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I have the Papercraft Society box. This is box 42, designed by Sharon and I've been itching to get a look at this box and share it with you. So when you open the box, the first thing you'll see is a little message from Sharon. It says, some call it a craft store, I call it the mothership. Right, so we get a wallet and we also get tissue paper with some items in that. I'm going to look at that in a minute. First, I want to focus on the wallet and what comes inside it. So if we open it up, you have a message here from Papercraft Society. Don't forget to share your makes. If you use hashtag Papercraft Society, if you're sharing your cards or your makes on social media, then they get to see what you make, which is always a great thing. Okay, so there are 3 sections within the wallet. Each section has a little sentiment from Sharon. This one is rock the paper and scissors. Shh, crafty genius at work. And then if glitter is wrong, I don't want to be right. Very good. Okay, so we have some dies, we have some stamps, and we have some pattern paper. So let's have a look first at the dies. Now this is an 11-piece die set and it has unique cut, fold, roll dies, and that's for making flowers, and that'll become more you'll understand more once we get into what's in here. Now I have put a piece of white cardstock behind this, so it comes in a plastic sleeve and our dies are attached to an acetate piece in here. So as it said, as I said, there's 11 dies in here, and one of them is a sentiment, hello. These dies here, you die cut out on some paper, pattern paper, tissue paper. Tissue paper, like what we got in the box, is great for making flowers with. So I'm going to be having a go using these dies on the tissue paper. The last box we got, I used the dies on the tissue and I made layered flowers using it. I'll put a link to that up here. So I'm going to have a go using the tissue paper with these dies as well to see how they come out. But we get the stem and all the little bits here for making 3 different styles of flowers. Our sentiments then, and I always love the sentiments that come in our Papercraft Society box. We have sending best wishes on your. This little sentiment alone is always great to have in your stash. Absolutely love it. We also have especially for you on your, and then we have special day, birthday, wedding day, anniversary, and I love the font for this anniversary. I think it's so cool. To me, it kind of says Halloween or Adam's Family, that kind of thing, but I do love it. We've got some flowers and leaves here. We've got 2 lovely entwined hearts. I love those. We have thank you for always being there for me. I love that. I love the way we have the smaller sentiment under the thank you. We have may your day bloom with love, another great sentiment. And when I count my blessings, I always count you twice. Love it. We have love you now, loved you then, loving you forever. This is going to be so good for, personally for me, for putting in my hubby's birthday cards or Christmas cards or Valentine's card, but this is lovely for a loved one. And then down here we have sending hugs, and isn't that just lovely? I love the font and the size of this. And then we have some leaf borders as well. I love these. This is a very well thought out stamp set. Sharon, I don't know if you're going to be watching this, but if you are, I love the stamp set. And that's before I start crafting with anything. I bet I'm going to love these flowers too, but I love the stamp set. Okay, next I'm going to have a look at what's in here. So let's take a look. Sorry for the rattling now with the plastic. So we have paper, and I think this is for using with the dies because we have green going into this kind of a burgundy color. So I think die cutting, using the dies with them, is going to be very cool for giving us our tones. So we have 1, 2 of those, and they're double-sided. We have another ombre in the greens, so that's 4, and we have 2 more in this purple with a little splash of color there at the corner. Then we have this creams with another splash of color there, and it's in both corners. The same with the purple. And then we have, oh look, we have pattern papers. I love this one with the oval set into it. Isn't that a real, oh, I love, it looks, it's so antique looking, you know, I love that. So we have 4 pattern papers, and then we have 8 of these paper ombre sheets as well. So really we have got lots, 12 sheets in all, and this is paper, I'd say 120 maybe GSM. It's not cardstock, it's paper, but I love that. And don't forget, with the pattern papers you get a downloadable link in the book, as well as on Craft World. If you go onto Craft World and you log in using your Papercraft Society email address, you'll be able to access all the downloads there and download them and print them up yourself. So that's what comes in the wallet. Love that. Let's have a look now at what comes in the tissue paper. So we have our magazine or our booklet. We have some cardstock in here. So let's see if I can take this off without tearing it. I love to keep this little bit. I know it's just a scrap piece, but that can be used for die cutting out a little area for putting a sentiment. So we have some cardstock here, and again it's very similar to the papers we got. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're double-sided and they have a white core, so great for doing different techniques with this. So I love that. We also have some florist's tape. We have stamens. We have these, they're like the little stems, flower stems. We also have a ball tool for giving shape to our flowers, and then we have a quilling tool here as well. Inside the book you have a list here on page 6 of everything that comes in the kit. We also have on page 7, we have a diagram of how to make up the flowers. So there's 3 different flowers, so there'll be 3 different techniques showing you how to make up the 3 different flowers. And then we have lots of inspiration using the pattern papers, making our beautiful flowers and using the dies. Isn't that stunning? Absolutely beautiful. There we go. This is how to make the daisy. We have Glynis here. Glynis is one of my favorite designers. I think just the cards that she makes are stunning. I love this. This is using the stamped border and then an oval. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I don't mind sharing you too much of what is in here because this one has been out for a while. So again, Glynis, more of Glynis's cards. Then there is having a little chat with Sharon, a meet and greet. So there's lots in there about Sharon. And then there's more. There's the third flower, the freesia. So we have a freesia, we have a daisy, and the first one is a blossom. So lovely. I'm not going to go through any more of the book because, you know, as a Papercraft Society subscriber, it's nice to have that for you to see it. I love this. This is a 3D make, and I'm sure Martha has made this. Martha, it's just beautiful. I love it. If you're watching, I just love this. So there we go. There are all the products that come inside the Papercraft Society box number 42, designed by the lovely Sharon Callis. And you can see we do get a good amount of products in this kit. So keep an eye out for a video. I'll be coming back to you with a card make soon using the kit products. Until then, folks, have a look in the description down below. All the links and everything you need will be down there. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye for now. Bye bye.